Hi y'all guys, today I'm gonna do my skincare routine. Basically pimples everywhere on my body. It's like glossies. It's like it's full of water, properly water comes out. Like everywhere. It's my back. Everywhere. I mean like everywhere. On my legs. That's good. It's not on my legs. I have a rash now. And I got it. My spine and my eyes are swollen. And my guys, I'm home alone. I'm actually home alone. There's nobody here. My mom is coming home soon, so I better do this skincare routine so fast. And yes, guys. So first we're gonna go in with this. I don't know how to do it, but you guys can see it. I don't know how to rotate it, but I put my clicks. Leave a bar of clicks, and then I also put this. We also gonna buy a facial. I got a face wash, but now we have like face washes. But yeah. So these are my to put on. I literally have to put it on like everywhere. I'm looking in the mirror, guys. I'm probably gonna put you guys somewhere else. Okay, guys, I had to put you in a different spot so I can also see in the mirror myself. So I'm gonna go put it in here first. It's like this here. Yeah. Rub it in before it gets dry. And then put it here. Yeah. Then put it under my chin because it's like some of the heels. I put it on my hand first. Put it down my neck. It's just here. It's like just there. And now I just have to clean it. And then I'm gonna clean my nose. I was on this one first. But guys, I'm gonna skip. I'm just gonna open the time is finished. I can't believe I did this for 10 minutes. But like, not even 10 minutes, it's like a few minutes only. And I put it on my cheekies. Yeah. It's coming out, man. To my cheekies. Under my chin and my nose. And I pop it in. Okay. Well, over my face, so when I'm doing this, it's gonna be a part 2. So come back